Hey, I'm Tapanroy and today I want to share you how to draw animals. So yeah, from this long back, when started the painting when I'm kids, I really very passionate about the animals drawings. So animals drawing is not that easy, okay, because this animals are roaming around here and there. So if it's difficult to understand that, the pose and the shapes, but it's really interesting. So we'll start. So the characters are start basically the basic form I draw with the red color, so you can getting ideas. The basic frame of this character is like a straight line, okay, and here this one, this is the pelvis, and this is torso, and this is the head. Head part is little bit bigger, and the neck is not much bigger. That's almost attached with the torso. Okay, so this is the pelvis, torso, and the head. So we are just add like this. First, basic shape if you draw, then it is very easy to draw. So basic shape is like this. Okay, the one. I make the basics. Okay, basics first make this 2, and this here this leg, another leg 3, back leg 4. This is a first watch. Don't draw anybody, please. First watch, beta. First understand this the characters. All of you just watch first. On online students also request first to watch. Understand this animals structure, okay, how big the head part, okay, this is this 2 horn, or you can say this the teeth, not horn. This character is not horn, like, but the body shapes, this part is so bigger, that the neck part is so bigger. These animals we are why study as all animals, okay, because we should understand this animal structure. See this, the neck is like this and eyes part is like here. Okay, so I just make first the here this one oval, here is the one oval. So first we are making this this basic shapes. I draw this. I hope you understand the nose parts, and here this part is like 1, 2, 3 perspective line. So this leg is bigger and this leg is smaller because this is far from here. If I make one plate over here, so this line should be this 2 leg, and this line should be another. Sorry, this is the big back leg. This is the front leg. So this leg should be tetrachid, and this leg not coming here. To back leg it should be like this. This is wrong, okay? So back leg should be in this line, and front leg both should be this line. So this is 2 line over here. So this is in between distance like this. How to create the distance? Okay. So this is the back leg. So it is smaller, and this is the front leg. So it is a little bigger. Okay. Let's time start now. That's the basic form. So here's this part is very interesting. Okay, if I close it, this is eyes part is so much little bit of bigger. Okay, this part is bigger. Just see how it's coming. Okay, if you see this animals, sorry, yeah, this animal, this part is too much low. Oh no, here see this part is more high, right? This part, even this is, if you go to this human head also, this part is little high, but not that much. The animals are so bigger, right? This part. So That's the reason when I create this part, it's a little bit of bigger, right? So it looks more animals. And now I'm going to like this. Okay, just to watch first here from this mouth. Basically, this is coming from this mouth. Okay, I finish it up and then you can start. Okay, this is a this part is a jawline. Okay, so here this is basically this is line is coming here like this. One coming like this and one coming like opposite sides. Okay, and its face look like a pig face kind of. Okay, so this study is very important. I want to share you some great artist of Walt Disney. It's called Aaron Blaise, who is a I follow this artist lots from my animations career when starts in the year of 2001 to from that days I follow this character this artist is a great animator is making this Bear Brothers, The Lion King. They are making this lots of animations movie, and that artist also maintain the same process, same method to practice everyday animals and humans. Okay, so now your time start. You can do this.